Alright, now to another weekly. The guys, don't let it get it messed up with the perception of what you think Lawncare is. Everybody's got to have cash. No. I've been dealing with them now for a season. I got many other customers I deal with that never even seen them, still get paid. So, we knock this one out, man. Get some footage.
Start smoking.
Alright, so let's talk about your baby. And my baby starting to get little legs and starting to walk a little bit. Was crawling for a while, now I'm starting to walk. And this, guys, is a weekly property. Like I said, never met this customer before, but it all started with being consistent. Nothing's overnight. These guys, I charged them more than what I charged the average customer. They're a little bit out the way. They never had a problem with it, and they pay it on a weekly. And I'm starting to get more weekly customers as it's been going on in this business. And when you first start off, it's gonna be just like a baby. You're gonna be doing a lot of detailed things and a lot of things that you wouldn't even think you have to do in a business to be able to grow the business. Things like being consistent with these customers, always showing up, always being on time, or if you can't be on time, always communicating and making sure that communication is very clear. Nothing better than clear communication with your customers. They love it, and it helps with trust. You know, it lets you know you're not bull crapping them when you can send them a message, hey, I got this going on today. They'll shoot you a message back. I understand usually because everybody's human here. Things go on, things arise, and things happen in the business. And this right here is a pretty nice sized yard also. So that's why it gets the price that it gets on it. And I'm here, like I say, Kentucky, double cut everything most of the time. You're just gonna have to, it's no way around it. It's a weekly, it doesn't look like it's much more on here, but it's some more. And you'll see in just a second when the view switches over to this other side. Back to, like I said, with your baby, you got to really take care of this thing, you'll really nurture it. And for a baby to grow, it needs food. And food is money in the business. So you're gonna have to feed this thing. It's gonna take money to make some money out here. But once you get going, it'll be all worth the while. I see it coming. I ain't where I wanna be, but I see it coming. So you guys get out here, man, keep grinding. Check the video to the end, man, and what do you think? What were you going through in your beginning stages? What were some of the hardest things that it was to overcome? And this year I've had just personal stuff, just life stuff has been the biggest obstacle, because it's becoming a little draining. You gotta get out here and hit these yards, and you're trying to give these yards still 100% and keep your quality up. So in your beginning stages, what were some of the obstacles you had to overcome to get you to that next level? Get you to where you got comfortable and you felt like, okay, I can do this thing full time now. No side hustle, full-time business. Let me know. Drop your comments. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Alright, got it done now. You see, it was a tree here, got took up. There was a tree over there that got took up. Tree right here that got took up. Right here, you can see a little work on that one. So it's coming along, guys. The property they got, I don't know if it's gonna be a rental property of theirs, or they're gonna move her from where they're at. But I've been handling this whole season. Haven't seen them one time, get paid every week on time. So don't let the perception, what people think, a lot of payments. You will go through it trying to figure out this payment thing, but that's just part of it. I believe that goes with any business. So you don't need a bigger mower though when it comes to stuff like this. I'm in Kentucky and we have a lot of big acreage properties. So get bigger mower, nice engine on it, get out here and get it done. So, but this is my another weekly I got. I've gotten quite a few weeklies this year. Next season I believe it's gonna be really great, because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take those weeklies, take my 1 or 2 days out the week, I can be able to pay some help. Boneyard's growing, and we're growing. It's gonna be more expensive, more expensive to run the business, but like I say, we're gonna get it done. So try to get us give me a good employee, someone that I don't mind paying, but you get out here, I'm gonna pay you good. You're gonna get out here, you're gonna work. All right, now guys, I've been trying to get these videos out, man, but this year has been one. I'm growing like crazy. I've had a whole lot of personal things go on that I've been having to try to figure out, sort out, and still manage the business. And repairs, it's just been a ton. And still trying to get the videos out and make content, but it's been a lot. And I'm trying to do the best I can to push these videos out to you guys. It's got to be done. It's gonna get done. But, man, when you're a leader, and I heard this from a guy who passed a while ago, when you're a leader, you gotta try to lead beyond pain, fellas. And ladies and gentlemen and everyone, you gotta try to lead beyond pain, because you're gonna have so much stuff that comes on, and you're gonna have to find a way to look at it like everybody's got problems. I heard one time, if it was a room full of people and everybody threw their problems up in the air, you probably run to yours first and grab them. But everybody has problems, and man, you got to figure out a way to keep it going. You got to figure out a way to keep grinding and doing these videos and out here doing lawn service, man. You got people who's dependent on you for your services. We do these videos, and there's people who learn from mistakes that can prevent them from going down a road of losing a lot of profit, wasting a lot of time. So if you can find like I say, some channels to watch, don't have to be Boneyard. You find somebody who you can watch and learn off of, and find a way to grow, guys. It'll save you time. Find a way to balance, learn some time management, and to be out here to figure this thing out. And don't give up. Don't give up. Giving up ain't an option. You gotta keep it moving. You gotta keep it pushing, and it's only gonna make you stronger. Everything you go through is only gonna make you stronger. Remember that. See the end game. See where you want to be in the long run. Keep that in mind, and don't ever forget it. So it's been one today. I gotta get out of here, go check out my son's first home game in football. His first year playing football. Thought he was gonna be on the bench. He's actually might be starting tonight, so that's what it is. And guys, we're gonna get out here, man, and I'm gonna keep grinding. You guys got any suggestions of some videos, leave them down in the comments. I'll take a look at the comments. I'll reply to all the comments, and I can get you the best video that I can on one of those topics, because we're only good as each other out here, fellas. So get out here, keep grinding. It's Boneyard Lawn Service.